Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wanu Fatilisa binti Mak Fauzi. I am from A4 AS120112 group. I am from UNTAPAH and I am here to present to you my video presentation for subject CHM131 General Chemistry. So here is my table of content. Firstly, we are going to learn about atom. Second is element. Third is isotope. Fourth is molecules. Fifth is compound, and lastly is ion. So there are three objectives for my presentation today. Number one is to define element, compound, molecule, and ion. For the second is to state the name or formula of elements, molecule, and compound. And lastly is to define proton number, nucleon number, and isotope. So basically, atoms are made up from three subatomic particles, namely proton, neutron, and electron. So as you can see in the picture, there is one of the in the middle called nucleus. So in the nucleus, we call it consists or made up of proton and neutron. So structure of atom. The elliptical orbit that you can see in the picture is called as the energy level, and the center, or we call it as nucleus, consists of proton and neutron. So going to the next subtopic is atomic number. Atomic number is number of proton in the nucleus of an atom, in the nucleus of an atom of any particular element. So here you should know that number of proton of an atom of any particular element is always the same to no of electron. So next is mass number, or we call it as nucleon number. Nucleon number is total number of proton and neutron in the atom. So here's the representation for atomic number and mass number. So A, which is mass number, is that consists of proton and neutron. So X represent as atomic symbol of the element, and Z is atomic number, or the number of proton or electron consists of an element. So next is element. So what is element? Element is a simplest pure substance consisting entirely of one type of atom only. So element basically is consist of only one atom and cannot be broken down into any simple substance by physical or chemical means. So same elements contains same number of proton. For example, like aluminium, iron, and magnesium. So here's some picture that I put to make myself clear. So there's not only one element in. So this is predictable of element that you can see: aluminium, lithium, beryllium, and so on. Next is about isotope. So isotope is atom with identical atomic number but different mass number, which is isotope basically have the same proton number but different neutron number. Because of what? Because they got different mass number. And what is the mass number? Earlier I said mass number is the total of proton and neutron of an element. So most elements have two or more isotopes. For example, like oxygen 13, 16, 17, and 18, as you can see in the picture. Like oxygen 16 have 8 protons and 8 neutrons. So the mass number is 16, right? So that's why it's called oxygen 16. But for oxygen 17, it have the same proton number but different neutron. Because of what? Because they got different mass number, which is classified it as and isotope. So when they have a same proton but different neutron, so that's mean they have similar chemistries, forming same type of compound but displaying similar reactivities too. Next is about molecule. So molecule is a structure consists two or more atoms that are chemically bond together that behave as an independent unit. So like elements that bond together, like element aluminium and element or just like water, element water and hydrogen. So when oxygen and hydrogen, element hydrogen and water, when hydrogen and oxygen, when they are bound chemically together, they can become a water molecule that called as water. And they are basically combined in specific ratios to one another, just like hydrogen and oxygen, which is hydrogen 1 and oxygen is 2, which form water, which is H2. So compound is a substance composed of an atoms or two or more elements chemically united in fixed proportion. So compounds can only be separated into their pure component element by chemicals means. So like lithium fluoride, it can be chemically separated into lithium and fluorine, like quartz and dry ice as hydrogen. And next is about an ion. So an ion is an atom or group of atoms that has positive or negative charge. So neutral atom can lose or gain electron and become charged, just like in the picture. The charged atoms are known as ion. So basically, ion is just like atom, but when they have like positive charge or negative charge, they become ion. So there are two types of ion, which is cation and anion. So cation is ion with a positive charge. So when the atom have a positive charge, they become a cation. And or when a neutral atom lose electron, they become cation because of what they lose electron. So their electropositivity are increased, so they become positive. So an ion is vice versa, which is ions contain negative charge and gains electron, which is when they gain electron, their electronegativity increase and that makes them negative. So next type of ion again, which is monoatomic ion and polyatomic ion, that can be classified as monoatomic ion only contain only one atom. Monoatomic ion can be classified as an ion of cation too, but monoatomic ion is only focused at only one atom. For example, like lithium, magnesium 2 plus or hydrogen. So polyatomic ion is vice versa too, because poly means they contains more than one atom, just like potassium permanganate, magnesium oxide, just like that. So there are common ions shown in the periodic table, as you can see here, like group 17. They are not can be ion because they are chemically inert, so they can be classified as an ion. So that's all from me. Thank you.